said, I have the Boxycharm for the month of April for you guys. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. I know a lot of you guys love my try-ons, and I really want to do a try-on for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try these products, definitely check out my Instagram. I will later on in the month have try-ons of these products over there. The link is down below. This is sent for review purpose, and I do have a affiliate link down below that if you subscribe, I do make some kind of compensation through that. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm just short on time. I'm traveling again this week, and so I'm not gonna have enough time to edit this and get it up for you guys unless it's just an unboxing. So sorry. So here is the theme this month, and it's called Boxy Spring Revival, and the version that I got is number 14, and this is the base box. The first thing in here is the Beauty Bakery Sour Ya Doin'. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it is a new launch from Beauty Bakery. It's $38, and I already know that I want to keep this. The box is so freaking cute. Look how cute this is. As soon as I saw the box, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. I absolutely love Beauty Bakery. I love their products. I haven't had any duds with them, and then I haven't tried their eyeshadow formula, so I thought that this was a perfect moment to actually try their formula and see if I like it. And it's super cute, and it has the little lemons. All of their stuff is like related to food. It has a cute little mirror with lemons. I am a freak when it comes to sour stuff and lemons, so this was just right up my alley. And the shades in here are just perfect for summer. Very, very beautiful, fun, warm toned palette, as you can see there. You also do get a shimmer white and a matte one in the middle row. You get that pop of yellow, some mid-tone browns diagonally. You have this more orangey reddish color here, and then you have these two beautiful shimmers as well. I just feel like it's just an absolutely beautiful color, and the shades in here are absolutely named really cute. Like, for example, this more redder shade is called Pink Lemonade, Refresher, Bellini Me, Sangria, Sour, Icy, Chocotales, Tart, Sweet. So all the names are related to like lemonade and, you know, like that whole jazz. And I just thought it was super, super cute. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. Let me go ahead and swatch some of these just to kind of see. Ooh, look at that. That is impressive. Ooh, that is just like swiping it. And let's see what these, oh, I just feel like this is going to be such a fun palette. The pigment looks really nice, so we will see once I play with it what it's going to look like. But just a very beautiful palette. I am excited to test this out. I wish I had more time on my hands this week, but with us traveling and me working, I wasn't gonna have time to actually do like a try-on, and try-ons take me quite a bit of time to actually edit. Next thing in here is the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. This is $55. It contains real rose petals, rose water to moisturize your dry, distressed skin while sleeping. And this looks really cool, like the image on the box. Oh, look at that. That looks super, super nice. Let's see what I'm thinking it's gonna smell just like roses, which is so relaxing. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to be trying this out and seeing if I love it. I love sleeping masks, and I just love how hydrated your skin is in the morning. This smells divine and smells just like roses. That's just a personal preference if you like the smell of roses or not. And then the next thing in here is the Christophe Robin Instant. Every time I see his name, I want to say Christopher Robin, like Winnie the Pooh. But it's Christophe Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. This is $39. I actually really love the smell of roses and rose water, so I really like that both of these products smell like roses. And this is for your hair. It's uplifted. It uplifts your roots and gives you fuller length, which is perfect for my hair. I have really thin hair that doesn't have any volume. Yeah, and it smells just like roses, so I'm definitely going to give this a go on my hair and see if it gives it volume. And it's a leave-in mist that gives volume to your hair, and this is worth $39. This product in here is by Item Beauty. This is their lash snack. This is a lengthening mascara, and I am going to be trying this. This is $15. It's by Addison Rae, which I have really enjoyed everything that I've tried by Item Beauty so far. Like, I have been really impressed, and hopefully I will be impressed by this as well. I feel like the prices are pretty midpoint prices, and they're not like way too expensive, so that's a good price range. So this is $15. I just want to see what the wand looks like. Oh, that is a tiny little wand. I will definitely see how this works on my lashes, but this is supposed to be lengthening. It does have like those little spikes in there, so I'd have to see if I can really get in there and like lengthen my lashes. I kind of like for lengthening more of a thinner, like smaller, you know, like little spikes on the wand, kind of like the L'Oreal telescopic, but I will definitely give this a go. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I do update you guys a lot on Instagram if I love something, if I don't like it, how it's going. And that is $15. And the last thing in here is the Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner, and this is $14. This is just in the shade black. I feel like Persona's like coming up in every single box lately. I don't know if I have this one already. I want to say that I don't have this one, but I already have open quite a few eyeliners, so I think I'm just going to give this one forward. If you guys aren't following me on my channel or on my Instagram, I am on a low buy. It's basically becoming a no buy, but I am trying not to hoard. I have been doing like a lot of declutters, and so if I already have, like right now I have 1, 2, 4 black eyeliners, I'm like, you know, let me try to get through those and not just add another one in when I know I'm not going to really use it, when I know I can give this to somebody who can really get some kind of benefit from it. But this is supposed to be a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. This is $14. I love the Persona lip liners. I've used their eyeliners in the past, and they're super creamy, very pigmented, and really, really nice. So this is a really great one to be in the box. As always, I will put the total value around here so you know the total value of the box. I have to say this is a pretty good box. I love the fact that they have the brand new launch of the Beauty Bakery. That is absolutely awesome, and actually makes me super happy that this month it's something fun and different and like something that excites me. So super excited about the palette. I think that both the sleeping mask and the rose water for the hair is something that I enjoy. I'm excited to try the mascara, and the eyeliner is really nice as well, and it's a good brand. So overall, I feel like they knocked it out of the park this month. Really, really great month. I am the most excited about the eyeshadow palette, and I promise I will be doing a look over on my Instagram, so check out my reels over there for a look using this beautiful palette. I'll also do some swatches over there as well for you guys. But let me know what else you want to see on my channel, for those who actually are subscribed to my channel. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this month's box. I actually think it's a great box. I have been kind of like let down lately, and I feel like this month they actually did a good job, and there's a lot of like good brands in here, things that I'm excited about, so I think they did a awesome job. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.